Hey everybody, Hunter Fisher, Trapper, Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter, and just a country cook, Steve Hall, here in Nashville, Tennessee, along with She and Jen. Hi, Sheila.
Hi, this is Sheila.
Hi, this is Jennifer.
And would you believe Halloween is just around the corner? And a lot of times you have some leftover candy,
Chocolate.
all kinds. And so instead of just trying to tear it open and just eat it, we have got a recipe for you to use these for. If you got anything left over, if the kid will let you have it.
Yeah, this is if a kid will even give it to you to make some leftover recipe with.
Bring the kid in the kitchen and show the little child how to cook it.
This is fun to do with the kids, and
Yes.
this is chocolate bar crescent bites.
They're
Very
good.
simple. All you need
It's Crescent Rolls.
Crescent Rolls.
And any kind of candy.
Any kind of candy. All that leftover yummy chocolate you can just pop in there. So you pull the crescent roll out, right?
Right. You
Okay.
just roll it out.
And you just roll it out. And they're kind of already in. Another thing, you want to make sure that these stay cold, because if it gets warm, they don't want to stay in the triangles.
Right.
So you'll see they're kind of,
Getting gooey now.
yeah, it's getting gooey because we talk a lot.
By the time we get what we want out, it's already geared up.
By the time we get to what we're supposed to be getting to, we're like, okay. So they should be in like a little triangle, and you can
Yes.
kind of form them.
Okay.
So
get those.
get those apart. Get getting.
Get where they go.
Yeah, because if you don't cut them apart, they won't come apart. So, and we're just using parchment paper because it doesn't stick to parchment paper.
I love this kind of thing.
So I'm having technical difficulties. She'll be waiting on me all day. She'll go like, "Come on, Jen, get it together.
Get it
together." Okay.
Get together.
So
Okay. So which one do you want to do?
I'm gonna do almond joy.
Okay, I'll do Reese's.
Okay.
Almond Joy is your mom's, isn't it?
Oh, Mom loves almond joy. She says we were telling her we were gonna do this. She says, "Make sure you get almond joy."
Mother
So-
loves Reese's.
Oh, yeah.
So this one's for mom, and that one's for your mom.
So all you do is you just roll them up.
Just like that.
And if it's too big, you just cut them in half, right?
Yep.
And then you just put the little point.
Just like this right here, and then you can roll the sides up and make a little bitty. Press it on the side so the chocolate doesn't come out at the end of it.
And we've already got a couple done there. So,
Yeah, okay.
all right, I'm going to try a Snickers.
Okay, I'll take
Snickers.
a Hershey. See, the children would love doing this.
And we're big kids, so we might as well just do this. This is fun.
Yes.
And what a great idea, because you always have leftover chocolate, not only at Halloween, but on Christmas and Easter. There's other holidays that you could do this on, and and make it fun for you and the kids, and even your big kid, your husband.
And there's a lot of things you can do with these crescent rolls like this. You can put like apple butter. You can put pear preserves, any kind of preserves, and put that in it and roll it up.
Oh yeah. In fact, we're going to do a second recipe here shortly with caramel apple. So stick around for that.
Sounds good.
That looks delicious. And so we're going to put this in the oven and bake them. And pretty much you're baking them whatever the directions say on the back of your crescent roll, which is... Where's my glasses?
Read anything but the carbs.
No, I'm not going to go about the carbs. We're not going to talk about carbs.
Okay.
And if you want them a little browner, you could probably do an egg wash or some butter wash over them. But we're just going to try them just like this today and see what they taste like.
They're going to taste good.
They're going to taste good.
They're gonna be
Of course, it's chocolate, so,
Mm.
All right, we'll be back. Okay, so we got our chocolate bar crescent bites out of the oven. We let them cool a little bit. We drizzled some chocolate on some of them. And you can do that. You can melt your own chocolate or whatever you'd like to do. Or you can just leave them plain because they're going to be chocolatey all on the inside. And it was actually in there for 12 minutes at 350.
Our cooking show is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get in.
That's true. And we really don't know what we're going to get because there's all different kinds of chocolate bars in there.
Yeah, there's a Reese in here.
Almond Joy.
Yeah, Donna's Almond Joy over here.
Snickers. All kinds of yummy stuff. Are we ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Which one you going to get? I'll get one that doesn't have the...
I'll get one that has chocolate on it.
Okay. I'll get this one.
All right.
And see if we get the same one.
All right. So let's just cut that puppy open.
Let's see what I got.
Mm.
I think I got a Reese.
Looks like I
don't know what I got.
It looks like I might have got a Snickers. But it looks really good.
Try it.
Oh, that's a Reese's.
This is good.
It's really good. Try that.
Look at that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's Snickers.
Yeah.
And that was Reese's.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. That's a great idea to do with your chocolate. I mean, and what a neat thing to do with your kids.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
They'll be wanting to do this so they can just fight over the ones that they really
You
like.
could do a guessing game to see which candy bars. You know,
Yes.
make a game out of it.
Spin the...
Spin the plate. All right, well, we're going to do another recipe that you can do with these crescent rolls. Caramel apple crescent bites.
Bites.
Roll. Bites.
Bites.
Bites roll. Okay.
Roll.
Now we're going to do something else.
healthy.
Something healthy.
Yes, apples.
Apples. Apples are healthy.
Yeah.
Not necessarily dipped in sugar and cinnamon, but they're
Well.
healthy just the same. It's partly healthy. But another great idea to do with these crescent
Yes.
rolls that you can do.
And October is...
National Apple Month.
Yes, it is.
And-
So we're here doing something with apples.
Yes, and we've got our apples already sliced up into little wedges, which makes it easy to roll up.
Okay.
And we're just gonna roll these into our cinnamon and sugar. And this is about a cup of sugar and about a rounded tablespoon of cinnamon. And you can
Okay.
kind of do this to taste. So we're just gonna do the same thing, but before we roll these up, we're gonna drizzle some yummy, delicious caramel
Yummy.
inside. So we're just gonna take a little bit and just drizzle a little bit on the inside.
You can drizzle right there.
And you can even drizzle on there, yes.
And then put the apple on.
And then put the apple on it. You're just gonna roll these up and squeeze the ends and lay them out just like you did the other ones. A little bit more apple and cinnamon.
Here we go.
Roll it in.
There we go.
Doesn't that look good though?
Yes, and I like doing this kind of thing.
Mom is over here telling me funny things. As the thoughts enter her mind, she's whispering over here to my ear. And Sheila goes, huh?
Huh?
What is she saying?
What? What?
You know, most of us have our moms in our ear, you know, like just from years of having moms in your ear, in your head. I literally have my mom in my ear. We're doing these cooking shows.
She is totally verbally in your ear.
She's right here in my ear. It isn't a figment of my imagination. Nah, I love her. She's always helping. So I'm just gonna baste a little bit of butter. My Sheila finishes that. So they brown up nice. And we're ready to put that in the oven.
Got it?
Oops, big chunk right there. Yeah, got it. We'll be back.
We just got the caramel apple croissant bites out of the oven.
They were in there for 12 minutes on 350.
Right?
And we let them cool.
Yes.
And we drizzled on some of them some caramel. Oh my gosh.
It's so good stuff.
And you can just
And this
smell
is
the cinnamon.
Smuckers.
And that's Smucker's caramel, I know.
I like Smuckers anything.
It is really good. So we're going to try these because they look really good. Are you going to try one with caramel, one without?
Yeah.
Okay.
With.
You're going to do with, I'll do without.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mmm. Wow. And you know,
Like
you
little
could take
apple
these.
pies.
Yeah, they're like little apple pies. You could take these to any party. You have something very simple to whip up. It doesn't take very long. 12 minutes and they were done. And you saw it didn't take very long to roll them up either. So,
As Steve would say, if this is not the best two recipes,
chocolate bar, caramel apple crescent bites. If it
it
ain't, it ought to be. Thanks again for watching and liking
and subscribing,
and sharing with all of your friends. We really appreciate it. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook,
and Twitter.
Instagram, and visit shotgunred.com because we've got some exciting things coming up. You can join our free membership and you can submit a recipe if you've got something you want to share with everybody, because this is what we do here. We like to share recipes with everybody, and that's all we're doing. Two girls in a kitchen just sharing recipes.
And we want you to come in here and watch all this with us.
And share your recipes with us because we want to see them. So thanks again. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red.
Bye. And we're back today, and you know, fall is just around the corner. Or,
Halloween. No.
Halloween.
One more time. Okay.
Okay, with Grace. Okay.
Who's Grace?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So now we just got done.
Oh, now we're getting.
Now that we got the chocolate bar crescent bites. Okay, so now that we got the
now that we got the sweets out of the way.
the sweets, now
Yeah.
that we got the chocolate out of the way,
Yeah.
and we're gonna do another.
That oven of yours is about like my alarm clock in the morning.
It just won't shut up.
It's so relentless.
It just keeps going. It's like, hello, it's done. Your stuff is done now.
Time to get up. Go get it out of the oven.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.